In this video, I will show you how to record your screen using CapCut PC. When you open CapCut, you have the option Record Screen, click on that, or press Ctrl plus Alt plus P. Now select the window you want to record, for example, only CapCut, full screen without taskbar, or full screen with taskbar. Then left-click to confirm, and you can also adjust the size, but I don't need that, so I click Start Recording. Record what you need. Below you have a menu where you can stop recording. It's there throughout the entire recording, even if you can't see it in mine. Now either click Download and choose where you want to save your recording. A new file with the recording will be created in the selected location. Or click Edit, which will immediately open the recording in the CapCut. If you want to know where your recording is saved, right-click on the recording and select Open File Location. If you found this video helpful, you can support the channel by becoming a member or simply leaving a like and a comment. It really helps a lot. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.